Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditya Anil Kushari, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the communicable diseases, that is whooping cough, from health education and community pharmacy. The topics to be covered from our today's session are as follows: introduction to communicable diseases and whooping cough. So let's see first of all about the whooping cough. This is one of the type of communicable disease which is transmitted from one person to another person by through direct contact or blood transmissions. The whooping cough, also called pertussis, highly infectious disease of respiratory tract, occur people of all the ages occasionally after age of 10 years, mostly occur in unimmunized children under the age of 5 years. Incubation period is about 7 to 14 days. Causative organism are Bordetella pertussis. Mode of transmission: influenza is mainly spread by droplet infection. Article: freshly infected by discharges. Prevention and control and treatment: the children immunized by DPT, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus vaccine, that is diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus vaccine. Patient put to bed in well ventilated room, and discharges from nose and throat should collect properly on paper and disinfected. Erythromycin is given. Then next, communicable diseases, whooping cough. The learning outcomes from this topic are the introduction to communicable diseases and a brief introduction to whooping cough. Thank you.